And that's something you can join me, link in the description below. I'm going to actually check. You can use XRP trading bots, which is something very exciting. So I'm going to explain what trading bots actually are, which is a pretty cool strategy. XRP trading bots, are they risky? And you can see 7-day return yield 1,338. So whoever made this trading bot, every time it conducted a trade, it made a 6% increase. It's going to be like an AI strategy. So you go over to markets here, futures. You can learn how to use them. What these XRP future grids long bots actually do, it's not magic AI. It's just the script that opens a leveraged long position on XRP, 5x in your screenshot, places many buy and sell limits orders in a grid between two prices, tries to scalp small movements inside that range. So if you're bullish for XRP, he basically does the work for you. That's a pretty fun idea. Leverage risk, the big one. 5x means a 20% move against you, liquidation. So yeah, I mean, everyone uses 5x. But if you check over here, I want the trading bot that's maybe a bit less profitable. So this one looks nice. What's the minimum margin invested? The minimum amount for running this grid strategy is $100. So basically $100, but if I really want to test it out, and that's what I'm going to do. The bot doesn't protect you from that. Direction risk, it's locked long. All these future grid bots are one direction long. Of course, if you believe that XRP is going up, these bots can make a lot of money. But if it goes down, you get absolutely destroyed. This is the problem with trading bots. Grid works only if price stays in the band the bot expects, breaks out of the range, your grid is useless and only leaves you big losing future positions. So I'm guessing the grids need to buy, like if price is going sideways, so if price is like here, this is how trading bots work for XRP. And again, they're not free money or anything. They're risky, so take care with that. But I will be telling you guys what type of trade I'm going to be taking. So let's say it's trading between 3.6 and 2.4. As long as it's this ranges, I understand it's going to go up. Fake performance number. 7-day yield is usually annualized or based on a tiny starting capital. How is it annualized if it's 7-day? I'm guessing yes, a starting capital because XRP did go up. It doesn't mean you'll get 1,300 reward every week. It just sells the dream. It might. If the exchange goes down, it's not going to go down. It's 2-bit. Safer this spot grid versus future grid. No leverage, holding XRP. These XRP grid bots you see aren't free money. They're just automated leverage trading strategies. That's true. But I still like that they are doing like XRP. You know, you don't have any shorts. Do you have any neutral trading bots? You even have neutral trading bots that give way, way less return. So, you know, this is the one that gives like 70%. This is a very interesting factor. Let's take a look. Can I buy this one? It's $28 to buy it. So I could absolutely try it and see how it works. So it's going to say total investment 151 USD. I have available $30 of margin, but we're using 5x. So if you put $29 and creating this strategy, it's going to trade between. So if it goes to $1, it's going to like, you know, fail. And if it goes to 3.63, it's going to fail. So lowest price is going to buy at 1.8 and the highest price is 2.4. I like this strategy actually. So let me check a neutral and let's get back to these trading bots. This is something I have been very curious about trying. How much do we need to do this one? I like this one, 300%. Maybe it's slightly more risky. So create a strategy, highest price 2.4. So we're going to ask AI here what they actually do and how they work. So what is a grid? Because I wanna learn here. So this is the most important factor. I'd rather have less profit than more profit. A grid is just a ladder of buy orders and sell orders between these prices. Think of it like this. You could choose a low price and a high price. The bot splits that range into several steps grids. Here you picked 5. At each step it places a buy order a bit lower, a sell order a bit higher. Buying lower when it dips to a lower grid and selling higher when the price comes to the next grid. Should I get a long XRP bot that goes up, that goes 1,300% returns, or neutral that is only giving 70 to 130, 300. What's the difference? So it does seem like that there are different type of trading bots, and some are giving less returns, and you can actually use them. Link in the description below. I'll be explaining that on what exactly happens with that. But we're gonna start a plan. We're gonna make a. I want to make at least a free burger out of this, or a free pizza. So that's like $10, $5, depends when you live. But 1,300% long bot is crazy risky. Pure XRP must go up gamble. 73% to 300% neutral bot, still risky, but more about volatility than direction. Neither is safe. The numbers are marketing, not guarantees. Long XRP grid bot, direction only long. But neutrals is what I like more, because yes, they get you liquidated less in case XRP crashes. At least your bot is not going to be gone. You make money if price ranges inside your 1.79 to 240% band and keeps bouncing. You lose money if XRP trends in one big direction, pushing one side toward liquidation. Returns are usually smoother and lower than a lucky long bot, but the risk is still real because it's a leveraged future. Think of it as being a small market maker inside a box. Good in sideways chop, bad if XRP escapes the box. So as long as we're above these levels, like $3 and $1, it should start. So we just started our own trading bot. Okay, that's great. So I'm also going to be doing a competition on the Toobit if you guys want to join. Like, I'm going to come back to this trading bot tomorrow and see how it performs as well, if that's something you guys are interested. So if you guys want, there's a link in the description below. You can actually open a trading bot, and it's going to do volume as well. And you get 90 XRP free, 2,500 XRP free, based on how many trading volumes you do. And there's also a lot of bonuses. If you guys want to use, link description below, and I'll keep you guys updated. We are a small channel right now, but we gotta build up. What about the stop loss prices? I mean, it's pretty bad. Stop loss, if we lose $20, I'm done. Like, you can stop and I'll take $20. Stop loss price must be less than lowest 1.79. All right, so if I far understand, this trading bot is now up and running with a margin of $29. My initial investment of $29, let's see what happens. I really want to try it and see. I'm hoping we're getting a bull market, because it would be nice if it goes up. But that's what I opened here right now. I opened my own trading bot that I'm going to be showing you guys tomorrow, like something to return to. Yeah. So we also have... We have here, what else we have? XRP USDT. So we can have here Forex trading, event contracts, Solana USDT, Ethereum XRP, TON, 0G USDT, 1000 MOG. So I'm pretty interested how this trading bot is going to work out. Details. Strategy detail for the trading bot. And, oh, you can actually see over here, grid profit unpaired, margin requirements, available margin $6. So the margin requirement is $23 amount per grid. And is it doing last price 2.19? Did it do any buy orders yet? I don't know. I don't think so. We're just going to wait and let it do the stuff it wants to do. So this is the important factor. All right, guys, I'm going to finish it off here. You guys take care and smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news.